Welcome my dear student. In previous period we have seen about our 1.7 Paramvir Chakra, our heroes, how they sacrifices their life for our country and how they get the medal like Paramvir Chakra. So we have seen about the lesson. Now today we are going to see about our workshop or our exercise. So page number 22, open your page and see the question and answers. Today I am going to discuss with you that you have to complete today. See the first question, what is Paramvir Chakra? So here you have to find out the answers and how to write. Paramvir Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or outstanding act of valor or self sacrifice in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. So this is the answer of first. Second question, what is seen on the observed and reverse of the Paramvir Chakra? PVC means Paramvir Chakra medal. So what is we observe and reverse is there? So the answer is that on the observe, the PVC has the Indian national emblem. See here on the page number 20. PVC means Paramvir Chakra. On the observe, the Paramvir Chakra has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by four replicas of Indra's Vajra. Okay. On the reverse, now what is the reverse? See, on the reverse, the words Paramvir Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with two lotus flowers in between. Between तक लिखना है. Okay. See in that box only the answer is there. Now see the next question. Who designed the Paramvir Chakra medal? You know that behind that the answer is the Paramvir Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. Okay, a European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. बस यहाँ तक ही लिखना है, officer. See the next question. What makes Indra's Vajra or weapon invisible? What makes it? So the answer is here on page number 20 only. The supreme sacrifice of sage Dhatiji. What is the answer? The supreme sacrifice of the sage Dhatiji makes Indra's Vajra invisible. Okay. Now see the next question. Write the story of a sage Dhatiji's sacrifice in your own words. आपको खुद लिखना है दतीजी के बारे में. So here on the page number 20 you can write according to legend thousands of years ago. ऐसा है ना. So you can write that passage about the Dhatiji. Means that according to legend thousands of years ago a demon had stolen all the water in the world. Innocent people died because of lack of water. This demon could not be defeated by weapon made up of ordinary material like wood, metal, etc. Something extraordinary was needed to kill the demon or to him. It makes to be known as the sage Dhatiji had born that had extraordinary power. The sage was a noble person. When he came to know this, he sacrifices his life and gave his own bones to make the weapon to help the people. Thus, Indra's Vajra was a weapon made from these bones of sage Dhatiji, and the demon was defeated with the use of this weapon. Till here you can write the demon was defeated. According to legend too, the demon was defeated. Till there the question number second you can write page number 20. The next, read aloud the account of how flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon sacrificed his life ऑफ डिफेंड अवर कंट्री। यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ रीडिंग करना है अबाउट द निर्मलजीत सिंह, दैट इज द इंसिडेंट गिवन हियर। देन फाइंड मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द परमवीर चक्र अवॉर्डीज। द परमवीर चक्र अवॉर्डीज जो है उनके बारे में आपको इंटरनेट पे एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन लिखनी है। प्रिपेयर अ कोलैज यूजिंग फोटोग्राफ्स, पिक्चर्स एंड टेक्स्ट मैटर रिटन इन ब्यूटिफुल हैंड राइटिंग। यू कैन यूज various colorful sketch pens or colors and make the and collect the information about the परमवीर चक्र अवॉर्डी। जो 21 अवॉर्डी है उनके बारे में आप उनके नाम लिखे और उसके चीट बना के वो एक पेपर पे चिपकाओ, तो एक प्रोजेक्ट हो जाएगा। ओके, सिर्फ आपको नाम लिखने हैं सबके और वो एक कोलैज बनाना है, मतलब वो चिपकाने हैं एक शीट पे स्टिक करने हैं। सो दैट इज फाइंड मोर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट इंडियन आर्म फोर्स एंड द आर्मी and navy, means both our army, navy and the air force. You have to find out the more information from the internet. So here what will you do, you have to write down the Indian army and you will find out the information that you have to write down. Then the Indian navy, so whatever the information is there that you have to write down in one passage. And then the air force, that also you have to write down in the, means 3 passages or 3 kinds of information you can write on a page that about the Indian army, Indian navy and Indian air force. So that is our exercise for today. So the question number 6, there is no need to do in your notebook. Okay, so here we are going to stop. Thank you.